What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to improve the quality of your image in Photoshop CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After importing an image to Photoshop, make sure that it's not set as your background layer. In case it is, then right-click the layer and select Layer from Background. Next, navigate to Image, Image Size, or use the shortcut Ctrl, Alt and I. On this window, make sure to set your Fit to option to Custom and the Resolution option to 300 pixels per inch. This is by default a good resolution. Make sure that your width and height is still linked. Photoshop will then take a few seconds to upscale your image to the newly set dimensions. Under Resample, select Bicubic Smoother, and when clicking on OK, Photoshop will drastically improve the image quality, depending on how low the quality previously was. Lastly, you can apply a filter to improve the quality even more. Navigate to Filter, Noise, Reduce Noise. On this window, set the strength to 5 and set the Preserve Details, Reduce Color Noise and Sharpen Details options to 0%. After clicking on OK, Photoshop will take a few seconds to apply the filter, and your image should look much better. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.